So back at here, the camera screwed up and shut down, so here we go. I've let it cool a bit anyway. Let's put the light on, see what we've got. I wasn't thrilled with how that was going, but it is on. But let's see how on it is. I'm going to risk quenching that now. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'll cool it a bit here. Just lay it on metal. It'll take the big heat out of it. It's hard to see until I can really dry it, you know, wash it and dry it. But actually, it's going to need a bit more. I wonder if that's the way to do it, actually. So I can see. Try re-boraxing and reheating, rerunning, because it certainly hasn't gone enough. It's on. I wonder if we can do that. Just kind of swing about a bit. Set it in that dip. Okay, I'm going to try this again. Just to refresh your mind, look, we're running on the inside here, so it's maybe not a great camera angle. Nothing I can do about it, I don't think. Not at the moment. But it'll help you with heating big articles. Look. This is a sculpture revolving table for clay sculptures, you know. Very handy. You can use a cheese board as long as you put your Firestone on it. Make sure I'm heating the dome enough as well. It's hard to push down into a concavity with a flame. It wants to blow back. So you maybe have to come out to over the top here, look. But this is quite a good way, and at least I can see the join area, whereas when I did it the other way around I couldn't really see the join area. And this is heating the collet as well, so there's the solder running. That's better, that's better, that's better. Back to the outside. Yeah, I got a join there. Yeah, good, good. You see the solder really pretty much got a good join. Okay, that'll do it. Oh, luckily none of the other things dropped off, so the rouge really holds. Always turn your tank off first, so you lose pressure in your tank. You don't have a load of pressure in your tube of your torch. You know, hit the tank first. Then once you've lost pressure, turn off the nozzle. There you go. I'm gonna let that cool. That has soldered. It hasn't been a superb run, but good enough to hold that well in place. I'm going to set that down on the metal stand. Watch this, it's going to be hot. use the tangier file just to manipulate hot things. Let that cool, because if I chucked that in the acid, that would, one, it would give off a horrible toxic steam, and also it would probably deform the piece, it would warp it. Turn it over. Check the angle of that. That's pretty much square. So just letting that cool. I'll be putting it in the acid, cleaning it up, resetting the ambers, and I'll come back to you when it's done. Okay, hope that was fun. Keep on dueling. Bye bye.